Whooping cough, also known as pertussis, is a highly contagious respiratory disease caused by bacteria. The symptoms often start with mild fever and runny nose but can progress to severe coughing fits with a distinctive whooping sound. The best prevention is vaccination. Experts recommend the DTaP vaccine for children and the Tdap booster for adults. This not only protects individuals but also helps prevent the spread of this life-threatening disease. For treatment, doctors often prescribe antibiotics like azithromycin, along with plenty of rest and hydration. In severe cases, especially for infants, hospitalization may be required. Early diagnosis and vaccination are key to fighting whooping cough. Stay informed and protect your loved ones.